and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Moksha Rathod and I talk about skincare related stuff. Today's topic which I am going to talk about is dark circles and how you can get rid of them. Now, I know dark circles are a really problematic and tricky thing to solve because there are a lot of factors which cause it. But if you want to know how to effectively get rid of them, then keep on watching. Now, I will be dividing this video into 4 topics, which is the causes of the dark circles, how you can prevent it, home remedies and treatments. Let's start with the causes and prevention simultaneously. The first cause is sleep deprivation. Now, 70% of people who have dark circles is due to sleep deprivation, that is, they do not sleep on time. If you want to get rid of dark circles, you need to sleep at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep every single night. The second thing I want to talk about is excessive screen time. We all watch mobile phones, laptops, television on a daily basis and we watch it for long continuous hours, which can cause strain to your eyes. So for this, what you can do is take a 5-minute break for every 1 hour of your screen time and just close your eyes and relax. This will help to reduce the strain on your eye and hence reduce dark circles. The third and the most important cause is excessive rubbing of your eyes. If you continuously keep on rubbing and scratching your eyes, it will lead to darkness/pigmentation under your eyes, which will lead to dark circles. And if you don't know, your under eye area has the thinnest skin, which is it can get irritated very easily, and if you want to prevent this, stop rubbing your eyes. Coming to the fourth point, which is sun exposure. When sun hits your face, it produces melanin. Now, melanin is something which gives dark pigmentation to your skin. So, if it hits your under eye area, it can cause darkness. And again, since under eye area has the thinnest skin, it has more effect on it. So, you will get even more dark circles. So, for this, what you can do is apply sunscreen under your eyes, which is very important on a daily basis. But if you cannot do this, try to limit going out in the sun. The next thing is not removing your makeup. Now, you need to remove your makeup every single night because when you wear kajals or concealers or eyeliners, it can settle in the under eye area, which can lead to darkness. The next thing is age. If you are about 35 or 40, the skin on your face starts to thin out. That is, it can give an impression that you have hollowness under your eyes, which is not really dark circles but give an impression of it. Another thing is smoking. Obviously, you know that smoking is not good for your overall health, but it can also give rise to pigmentation on your skin. This will lead to dark circles, so try to quit smoking as it is not good for your overall health. Another thing is nutritional deficiency. You absolutely need to have a well-balanced diet and include important vitamins and minerals in your diet. The next and the last cause is genetics. If either of your parents have had dark circles, then there is a tendency that even you might get it. But you do not need to worry, it can be treated, it can be solved very effectively. Now coming to the home remedies, the most important thing you need to keep in mind is that cold compression is always good for your under eye areas. So what you can do is keep a spoon in your refrigerator for half an hour or so and then apply it on your under eye area. This will reduce inflammation and will try to reduce the dark circles in your under eye. Another thing you can do is apply an ice cube, but always wrap it in a cloth or handkerchief and then apply it on your under eye area. But do this at least 2 times a day so that you will see effects effectively and sooner. I have one bonus tip for y'all, that is when you go to sleep, what you can do is keep your head elevated than the rest of your body. This will prevent pooling of water under your eyes and will help to reduce puffiness and under eye circles. Now that we're done with home remedies, let's go on to the eye creams which you can use in your under eye areas. Before I go on to any eye creams, I want to let you all know that sunscreen is very important as it will prevent dark circles from appearing in the first place. Coming to the eye creams, you need to look for antioxidant ingredients in your eye creams, that is vitamin C, vitamin E and ferulic acid. The first product I suggest is L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 10% Vitamin C Serum. It helps in reducing the dark spots and helps in brightening your under eye area. Another product I suggest is 20% Vitamin C Serum from Dermaco. Other than antioxidants, what you can look for is niacinamide, that is vitamin B3. It helps in reducing the dark spots, it helps from the UV damage and also helps in reducing the melanocytes. The products which I suggest is from Ordinary 10% niacinamide and Dermaco 10% niacinamide. These both work wonderfully and will help to get rid of your dark circles. All the products that I have mentioned in this video is in the description box below, so you can check it out. If your dark circles are still not improved by these methods, you can visit a dermatologist and they can suggest you chemical peels and lasers so that you can get rid of dark circles. Now, if you're someone who does not have a lot of dark circles, just a little bit coming up, what you can do is apply your regular face moisturizer under your eyes and apply a thick coat of it only at night. And this will help to reduce the dark circles. So these were all the tips and tricks I had for dark circles. If you find this video helpful, you should also follow me on Instagram where I post about skincare and haircare related stuff every single day. Before I leave, I want to let you all know that if you don't feel good from the inside, that is mentally or physically, you won't look good on outside. So please try to be positive and happy all the time. So that's it from my side. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.